got me looking like a beach bum. Sun up in my hair, I'm rocking Long Beachy curls. I'm feeling like a Cali girl.
Hey, so today it's November 7 at 6 and my camera is here now. Ito siya, guys. So I'm now going to unbox it. Of course, baby. Ito na siya, guys. Sa malaking siya styro. Dito siya nilagay. Para safe siya, ganun. So, we're not going to open it now. Wait, I'm gonna get the knife. So, ito na yung knife, guys. So, gonna open this now. Gonna open it now.
My parcel.
Naya ko. Ooh. Ito na siya, guys. Tanan. Tanan. So, dito pala ako nag-unbox sa aming store, sa aming karinderya. So, I'm gonna promote this. Char! Mervic's Food Hub. So, where's my camera? Oops! And that's my papa playing the styrofoam. This is the camera. Ooh.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. This is my camera. And this is the tripod. Yes, guys, may kasama na siyang tripod. Tanan! And then the remote control. And the cleaning kit.
Extra lens.
Huh? Are there? Yay! 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 Ano na siya? Yay! Yay! Ayan na siya. Spray na. Ito yung cleaning kit niya, guys. May kasama siyang cleaning kit. Nice. Binili ko to sa pinsan ng pinsan ko. Oh, intindihin niya yun. Ito yung cleaning kit niya. Kasama siyang cleaning kit, guys, yung camera. Tapos, kasama na ring tripod, yung brand na Yunteng. Yung remote control. And then this is the camera. Ooh, camera. We're gonna open it. So guys, ito na siya, guys. Yung camera. Open it. Tanan. This is the remote control, guys, of the camera. The extra lens. Oh, the extra lens is Canon. What? It's Nikon. Then sa kabila is Canon. What? So this is the extra lens of the camera. And then the camera. And this is the camera.
Nice lagi daw pang sundalo.
Tadaan! Let's open it. Tadaan! May pang vlog na gid ko, guys.
Open na.
Pang vlog na gid ko, guys.
Tanong na isa purpose na kay. Araw.
Tadaan! Ah, wait. Let lang. Tadaan! Pwede din siyang ma-flip, guys.
O para matuban sa iyo.
Tadaan! May pang vlog na ko. May pang vlog na ko. I can now serve you with a good quality of videos. Char!
Tara kayo, anong purpose na kayo? Kay.
Tadaan! Ganun lang din. By the way, this is NikonD5300. This is NikonD5300, guys. Ito yung extra lens niya. Ito yung original lens ata. Hindi ko alam. I'm so happy.
Ay.
So, that's all for this unbox. Ah, no! Meron pa gali. Meron pa dahil, guys. Oh. May meron pa pala, guys. Ito. Itong tripod. So, this is the tripod. Yeah. This is the tripod of the camera. And the brand is Yuntang. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. By the way, this is the birthday gift of my parents to me since I'm now 18. And I've been wishing this for almost a year. Na magkaroon ako ng camera. And now here it is. I'm so happy. Yay. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.